Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove members from Trello. Whether you're managing a project or just tidying up your workspace, sometimes it's necessary to control who has access. I'll guide you step by step to make your boards and workspaces cleaner and more organized. First, log into your Trello account. Make sure you're using the correct account with administrative privileges on the board or workspace where you want to remove members. To remove someone from a specific board, start by navigating to that board. In the top right corner, click the Share button. You'll see a list of all current members. Find the member you want to remove by checking their name or avatar. Next to their name, click the drop-down menu and select Remove from Board. Confirm by clicking Remove, and just like that, the member no longer has access to that board. Now, let's look at removing a member from an entire Trello workspace. Go back to your Trello homepage, find the workspace you want to manage, and click the drop-down arrow next to its name. From the menu, select Members. You'll see a full list of people who have access. Find the member you wish to remove, click Remove, and then select Remove from Workspace. This ensures the person no longer has access to any boards within that workspace. By following these steps, you can efficiently control who has access to your Trello boards and workspaces. Keeping your environment updated enhances security and keeps your workflow smooth and effective. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical Trello tips and tutorials.